Today I will show you how to download videos from TikTok without watermark or logo. First, in the TikTok page, in the video you want to download, select Share and then select Copy Link. Next, you open https://taptic.app page. Paste the link in the input box. Click Download and wait a few seconds. Please select the video download format. Wait a few more seconds. The video is downloaded to your computer. Please do the same on your phone to download the video to your phone. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below.